Hi there. I thought I would take this opportunity to add a little more detail about the Flipgrid reflection because I see that some people are having a little bit of difficulty. So we're looking here at the assignment in Google Classroom. If you want more information about how to record a video, you can click on this link. You don't need to upload the Flipgrid video here. Your video can stay in the Flipgrid. Please just submit this assignment to indicate that you've finished. So you click here, and this is just going to give you a link for your grade level. So the PK to 2 educators are the overachievers. So I'm going to go into their Flipgrid. So you'll see you come here into the MTA Summer Conference. And then in Flipgrid, they always have the prompt up here. So it says, please reflect on how you spent your 11 hours of independent work for this course. What was useful? What was frustrating? Did this workshop give you ideas for how you might use Google Classroom in your practice? What skills do you still need to develop? Other participants in the course will have access to the video you record, and you can check back to see others' responses. When you have finished, check back to view and comment on at least 2 other reflection videos. So at this point, there are 13 responses, okay? And we can see some of them have had people responding back. So Rachel was the first person to put in a video, and you can see, I think she's got 5 people responding. Kelly has 1 person who's responded to her. So for example, I'm going to go into Anne's. So when I click on Anne's, I'm going to hit pause here. So you see here, Mrs. H has responded and Jean has responded. If you want to respond to this video, to Anne's video, you are going to click on reply, and then it's going to ask you to log in with Google. And then it looks just like the recording that you started with. So great job, Anne, and this is my sample reply. Then I click next. You could edit it. Great job, Anne, and this is my sample reply. Next. So I'm going to do a selfie, whatever I'm going to do. And next. Complete. So now hi, I'm Anne. We see in Anne's video that she now has this reply button and 3 people have replied to her. Does that make sense? Okay, so if we X out of here, we go back. This is how you reply to people's videos. If you're making your own video, you click record a response, and you're going to click the green button, and it will look just like what I've shown you before. So first you're going to record your own video, and then, a day or 2 later, come back and look at some other people's videos and record your message on theirs. Okay. Honestly, the only thing that you have to worry about is that your video is in Flipgrid. Don't worry too much about the Google Classroom, and you don't have to upload your video to Google Classroom. Hope this is helpful. Take care.